Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when no sound plays after you connect your earbuds with a phone. Firstly, I recommend to restart your audio player. So let's say you listen to music in Apple Music, you need to remove this application from the cache and then open it again. Also, I recommend you to go to the App Store or Google Play and check if you have the latest version for this application. If you haven't, just update. It can fix this problem. Now, if it doesn't, next step I recommend it to restart your device. So I use these earbuds with a phone and I need to restart this phone. If you use it with a tablet, you need to restart the tablet. Now, if it also didn't help you, we need to perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, at the back side of each earbud we have SKULLCANDY logo, and this one is touch areas. Firstly, you need to press and hold simultaneously at the both of them for at least 4 seconds. You will see the red LED light and we need to turn off them. So we just turn off them, you can release your fingers. And then you need to press and hold again at the both of touch areas until the LED line turn off. It's something like 10 seconds. So press and hold, firstly it's turn on, then enter to pairing mode. Don't worry, just keep holding touch areas. Here we go. Now put your earbuds to the charging case. And then we need to remove them from your phone. Go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices, and at the device list click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. Forget the device and forget device. Now, if you have Android, click pairing device at the top, and then just remove your earbuds from the charging case. Your earbuds enter to pairing mode automatically. We know it by the LED light what flashing blue and red. And now we see them at the device list. Tap on them. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!